In primetime news this evening, stricter measures. Prime Minister announces tighter curfew for Easter weekend. Another fatality. Jamaica's COVID-19 death toll moves to 4. And no politics. World Health Organization warns countries not to politicize the coronavirus pandemic. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. On air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what is your reaction to the tougher curfew and other measures announced for the Easter weekend?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.